Today you're going to learn how to gift wrap odd shapes from this to that. Okay, you will need gift wrapping paper, 2 types of ribbons, a bow, scissors, and tape. For this gift wrapping technique, you want to unravel your paper and wrap around the item to see how much paper you will cut. You want to eyeball the item to ensure you use a reasonable amount of paper. You want to cut it and tape it just like so. And if your initial cut wasn't straight, you can adjust it by folding the end to make a straight line and then tape it. Then start folding the bottom part with pleats, just like so, and tape it at the end. If the top part has more paper than you expected, cut off any gift wrapping paper like you see here. This will make your gift wrapping process a lot easier. Then continue to fold more pleats and tape it. Lastly, add a bow of your choice. For this second technique, you want to eyeball the amount of paper you will need and tape it. I absolutely love this technique because it looks like candy wrap and it's just super cute, and I hope you guys really like it. So you want to do here is you want to scrunch up the ends of the paper and tie it with a ribbon. And just so you guys know, this ribbon has wire in it, so it makes it super easier to fasten. If you want your end to be tighter, remove the ribbon and try again. Spread open the ends so that you can commence cutting. Cut long triangles to create a fringe effect, and there's actually no magical formula to this. You can just eyeball it, you can wing it, and this just gives it a more realistic look. Curl the wired ribbon with your fingers. And to embellish it further, cut 4 long strips of ribbon and tie it around, making 2 knots to ensure it's secure. Cut the ends to have 4 loose strips at each end. Grab your scissors, like so, and grab the ribbon. Place the ribbon under your thumb and pull it out to create a curl. Just be careful, as some scissors are extremely sharp and you don't want to cut yourself. And lastly, to make it tighter and smaller curls, you can use more force. And this is actually a technique I learned when I was a child, because my mom used to have me gift wrap millions of gifts for family members. So this was such a fun technique that she taught me, and I still use it to this day. So this is how it turned out. Looks like a cute little candy of some sort. Okay, now we're going to gift wrap this ball. So unravel your paper. And you can use this technique for any type of shapes, like a tetrahedron, dodecahedron, or any weird shapes, including clothing or children's toys. So grab your paper and overlap it a little more than the size of this ball. And cut the paper, fold the paper, and crease it. And if you didn't cut your paper straight, it's okay. I recommend you fold it slightly just to make a straight edge. Tape the paper using a good number of strips of tape to ensure it's secure and no openings occur. That way there aren't any gaps. And please note that you may use double-sided tape, but for the purpose of this video and knowing that it's way more practical and realistic for people to have regular tape, I used a regular matte finish tape like you see here. Next, you want to fold up at the base. To create a triangle flap, crease diagonally on both sides. Fold the first triangle tip a little bit past towards the middle and secure it with several strips of tape for a stronger foundation. Overlap the second triangle tip just a tad bit. Add a handful of additional strips of tape so that you can have a stronger foundation and secure it even more. Pop open your bag. You can see the inside. You can see. You see how it became a solid foundation down here? Insert your gift inside the bag. Fold the top flat once and crease it. Then do it a second time and crease it again and add tape. And there you go. No one will ever know that there's a soccer ball in there. So to embellish this gift, I will cut 4 strips of ribbon. I'll make a knot in the center and curl each strip of ribbon. And then lastly, I'll tape it in the center of the gift. So there you have it, guys. Please comment down below which of the 3 is your favorite. I hope you enjoyed it and learned something new. And thank you so much for watching. Today's Spanish word of the day is regalo, which means gift. So repeat after me. regalo. Thank you for joining me on today's journey, and I hope to see you in the next one. Happy holidays, everyone. Today's Spanish word of the day is gift. Look how cute is this little guy. Cornelius.